Hello, this is KP Dherigaudar. Welcome to my video classes. Today I am giving you basics of ratio. What is ratio? Ratio and proportion is one chapter, and it is part and parcel of fraction and decimal and one more percentage. That this in that only it falls. It means what? It is comparison. In previous we studied 1 by 2. It's a fraction number. 0.5. It is a decimal number. And still we have not studied in English medium, that is 50%. What is this? This is also comparison. 100 to 50. 50 is to 100. What is this? 50 is to 100. That means what? This is out of 100, 50 taken. What is this? 5 is to 10. This 0.5 is nothing but 5 is to 10. Isn't it? 5 is to 10. What is this? Out of 10, 5 taken. 10 to 5. Then this is 1 is to 2. Already we studied all this. And this, if we remove this one, which one? These. And whatever written here, if we removed, it falls in a ratio. What is this? This is first unit, second unit. This is here in fraction, it is numerator and it is denominator. Two numbers we denote. One is up and one is downside, that is denominator and numerator. This is 1 is to 2. How you read it? 1 is to 2. If you reduce this also, 5 ones are 5 twos are, this is also 1 is to 2. 50 ones are 50 twos are, this is also 1 is to 2. All these are equal to 1 is to 2 only. Then what is this 1 is to 2? What is this 1 is to 2? See, A is one boy and B is one boy. See, A has 1,000 rupees, whereas B has Rs 2,000 rupees. Then what is the ratio of money of A and B? It is nothing but 1,000 is to 2. Sorry, 2,000. If A has 1,000 rupees, then B has 2,000. Then see here it is written A has Rs 1,000, B has Rs 2,000. Already it is confirmed. Then what you are going to confirm in ratio? See, ratio is what it indicates is its shortest form. Rate it tells. See, take for example, see, 1 is to 2 it is. What is this 1 is to 2? See, if A has 1 rupees, then B will have double of A. What rate it is? In this ratio, this man has 1,000 and this man has 2,000. From this element, A is having 50% less than B. Isn't it? Like this. What you understood now? See, here it is rupees. So, what should be compared then? Rupee, meter, kilometer, liter, hour, month, year, age. That should be compared. Understood? Say A has 50 rupees and B has 1 kg sugar, it should not be compared. When you are comparing, element should be same kind. Okay? This is what ratio tells. See, A has 50 rupees and B has 50 paisa. Then can we compare this? 50 is to 50, is it? No, because rupees should not be compared to, rupees will not be compared to paisa. So money is there. Money, isn't it? But money, how we have to compare this? So that we have to make same unit. See, if you want to make same unit, you have to change this rupees into paisa or else paisa into rupees. What you are going to do? If you are changing this paisa into rupee, this will become headache of a point, isn't it? It will be in decimal. So better you go for comparison with paisa. Then what is this 50 per rupees? This is 50 100 paisa. 50 rupees means into 100. 50 100 means 5000 rupees, and this is what? 50 paisa. See now, A has 5000 rupees, whereas B has, A has 50,000 paisa, whereas B has 50 paisa. Then what is this? This is nothing but 5000 is to 50. If he has this much rupees, then he will have this much rupees. If it is paisa, this is also paisa. So what here in ratio is, there will not be given any explanation. Simple it is. See, so sorry, only 1 0 is excess here. So those 2 zeros cancelled. 5 ones are 5 hundreds are. It means what? 100 is to 1. If A has 100 rupees, then B will have only 1 rupees. Who is rich? Who is poor? Who has more money? Who has less money? Whom to be given? That everything calculation should be here from this point. These two dots denote this ratio. Okay? Here in ratio, we should not explain. And its simplest form should be written. Second rule is simplest form should be written. We should not pour any explanation here. And if they are not in same unit, we have to make same unit. These are the 3 things you have to remember. Here I am giving some comparisons you have to compare. RS2 and PS50. 2 liter and 300 ml. 5 kilometer and 500 kilometer. 20 days and 5 months. These 4 we have to compare, and we can conclude this chapter. Say RS2 50 and 50 paisa. Radha has 2 rupees, whereas Krishna has 50 paisa. This means Krishna is always having less money, so that he is asking Radha. See, so Krishna is making great. Whom he is making great? He is making Radha great, isn't it? See, whatever it may be in series, here 2 rupees and 50 paisa. This 2 rupees means 200 paisa, and this is 50 paisa. When and is there, here explanation is required. Here and is there, rupees and paisa is explained here. When you are removing this explanation, then you will go for, say, this ratio sign. Then 0, 0, 5 ones are 5 fours are 4:1. If Radha has 4 rupees, then Krishna will have 1 rupees. Okay? Here 5 kilometer, 500 kilometer. No need of making any same unit. Already kilometer it is. Then 5:500. That is 5 ones are 500s are 1:100. Isn't it? Here it is liter and 300 milliliter. We have to know that 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. So 2 liter is nothing but 2000 milliliter and 300 milliliter. Units are same now. We can calculate 2000 is to 300, that is 2 zeros cancelled. 20 is to 3 because they are co-prime numbers whose HCF is 1. 20 and 3's HCF is 1. So we can't reduce them. It is the ultimate reducement. 20 is to 3. If I am drinking 20 ml milk, then you are drinking 3 ml. You are drinking less milk. If I am taking 20 liter, then you are taking 3 liter. Okay? Here 20 days to 5 months. See, 30 days make 1 month. Then 20 days and 530s are 530s are 150 days. Then 20 is to 150 days, that is 0, 0, 2 and 15 are co-prime numbers. So 2 is to 50. Okay? Thank you very much for learning ratio.